This is Mike Venino, April 22nd, all bent. Outside Cape Caha's big tuna pile. This guy's probably about 170 pounds, holding and ripping line. This is a big to-do. This is deep sea fishing Kauai. I'm Captain Jay, and this is my friend Mike, and we're having a family day right here.
Having fun.
This is solid. That's a nice fish. Somebody missed out on a beautiful day over here. This is just a wonderful day. That rod is bent. That's a Hank Z-Rod, all bent, CalStar blank. And this fish is pulling. Just tire him out, brother. Just tire him out.
Who's gonna tire who out?
We hooked up on the troll, 5 lures in the water, marks at 20 fathoms, and contact. It was a double. The other outrigger had popped and dropped, and then he came off. And this is just bent right here. There you go. Go in. I gotta go. I gotta go help this guy out. Looks like we need some contact assistance.